Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to another video of Lunch and Learn. I'm Jamie Michael Joseph, Successful Business Marketing, and today being Friday, we're going to talk about Fun-alytics. Okay, so we're going to talk about analytics, we're going to talk about data, and that can seem quite boring, but really, when you get to know it, it gets a bit addictive and it can be quite fun. And the reason for that is money is in data. Once we have that data and we can understand it and see what's working and what isn't working, we can make the changes to make sure that it starts really working for us. And this comes into kind of putting more efforts and more money into those kind of things which are working versus the things that aren't working, and also looking at those areas that aren't working and if we need to drop them or if we need to just tweak them a little bit to get them working for us. So analytics, commonly, look, Google Analytics is probably the most common thing that you will think about when it comes to analytics and data, and this is just simply something that you can store on your website to let you know where people are coming from, how they're getting to you. It shows a lot of demographics as well, so age, where in the world those people are, and some different kind of terms as well, but we'll get into that. Also behavior, so it'll show where people go on your site, but it's not just Google, it's not just for your website. All the social media platforms have an analytics dashboard built in. They all have different measurements and they all mean different things, and I'll be running through that to see what we really need to look at. But probably for the most important analytic or measurement or data that we really need to look at is conversion. Okay, and that's when we're looking at what actually happens for us to acquire that customer, and the way how we acquire that customer. If it's something that is working, then we know that it's working, and we know that we can concentrate more money and more efforts onto that. And we know if it's not working, we need to change some stuff around. So over the week, we're going to talk about different kind of areas of marketing. Thursday being traffic. You know what? A lot of people in the whole kind of marketing world will say that you don't have an offer problem, you have a traffic problem, and the analytics is going to show you where that traffic problem is. So, if you've got an offer and you're only getting, say, 5 people to it or 10 people to it, how can you really judge if it's working or not? You're going to need 100 people to it to really gauge it, okay? And that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about understanding the data, but also all the other areas of marketing to get that traffic, to get the offer, to, get your website working for you, all those kind of things that you need to know to get your marketing working. So I hope that helps. Keep tuned to the Lunch and Learn videos, and I'll see you then.